Hi everyone, I'm Kelsey from Wearable Whisperer, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Fitbit Versa 2. Now just for transparency, I bought this with my own money. I even paid extra for overnight shipping from Fitbit.com, which is why I received it before the official release date. So if we turn this on the side, we'll see this has Amazon Alexa, which is built-in voice control, 24/7 heart rate tracking, apps and notifications from your smartphone, sleep score. The box says a battery life of 4+ days, but the website says 5+ days. And this is the black classic band version with the carbon aluminum case. And here on the back, it says also this Versa 2 is swim proof. It can automatically track activity and exercise. It has 15+ exercise modes and connected GPS, which means there's no built-in GPS, you have to use your phone. It has sleep tracking and sleep score, and always on display mode. It can store and play 300+ songs. Now, you may have heard something about Spotify. This is just an app that controls playback on your phone or other devices. You cannot actually download a Spotify playlist and play it back offline. And you can also make secure purchases with Fitbit Pay, so you no longer need the special edition to have Fitbit Pay. And on this side, it just tells us that it includes the small and large size bands. It does require a compatible iPhone or Android device, so you can't set this up with just a computer, you need a smartphone. And it does contain nickel in case you are allergic. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Got a little pull tab here. And there we go. So we first see the Fitbit Versa 2. It's got a little screen protector here that we'll take off. And there is the front side. It has a single physical button on the left-hand side and a microphone, and this is also where the altimeter is that tracks your floors and elevation gain. We'll go ahead and take this band off so we can see the back side. This band is a pretty nice rubber material. It is a little thick. And here on the back side we have the charging connectors and the Pure Pulse heart rate. So I'll put that to the side for now. And under here, it's telling us to start, we have to download the Fitbit app. So if you need help setting up your Versa 2, I've made a video on that and I'll link it in the description below. And on this side, it's telling us how to change the band out. If you have any troubles with this, I also made a video on that and I'll put it in the link below. And this is just showing us that the box should include the Fitbit Versa with a small and large size band as well as a charger. So under here it looks like we're going to find the band and the charger. So if I lift it up, we do. This is the large size band, and you can always tell besides the length it will say L/G for the large size band. And the small size band is S/P. And under here should be the charger. Open that up. And this is a USB Type A charger. It is yet another proprietary charger from Fitbit that will only charge your Versa 2 and nothing else, so you have to bring this extra thing along if you're traveling. And it is a little bit less bulky than the original Fitbit 2's charger, and they are not compatible, just FYI. And finally, under here we have some product information in several languages. So that's what comes in the box. You have your Versa 2, the extra large size band and the USB Type A charging cable. So here it is on my wrist, and this is the default clock face. So here's a comparison of the displays for the Fitbit Versa 2 on the left and the original Fitbit Versa on the right. And both the Versa 2 and the Versa have a single physical button on the left-hand side. They also both have the same Pure Pulse heart rate sensor on the back side, along with some charging ports. But the major difference is the Versa 2 has a microphone on the right side, whereas the Versa has two physical buttons. And you can see that the Versa 2 is also slightly thicker than the original Fitbit Versa. Here's a comparison of the displays with the same exact apps. So hopefully you can see that the Versa 2 on the left-hand side here has much vibrant and richer colors than the Versa on the right-hand side. The blacks are also darker on the Versa 2, and the icons are slightly larger due to the Versa 2's slightly larger display size. And here's a comparison of the Fitbit Versa 2's display with the Apple Watch Series 4 42mm version. You can also compare the left sides. So the Versa 2 has a physical button on the left, whereas the Apple Watch has the speaker and microphone. This is the back comparison. And the right side comparison. So you can see that the Apple Watch Series 4 is a little bit thicker than the Fitbit Versa 2. And here's a comparison of the Apple Watch Series 3 40mm version with the Fitbit Versa 2 on the left side. If this video helped you, please give it a like below and consider subscribing to my channel. It's free, and we've got a lot more wearable content coming out over the next few months. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.